welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today I am going to teach you how to use Widget Handle and why we use Widget Handle in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. What is the Widget Handle? So basically the Widget Handle is used to add draggable handle into the list view rows. So this allows users to reorder the records directly from the list view by dragging them up or the down. So it is the useful feature for managing the records that need to be reordered manually by the user. So let's understand into our code. So first step is you have to define the sequence field into your POI file. So you can see this is the mol.soap object POI file. Into this object I define the sequence field and this is the integer field and I give the string name sequence. Now the second step is you have to define this sequence field into this mol.soap object list view. So here you can see this is the mol.soap object list view and this is the soap object XML file. Now into this list view I first define the sequence field into this list view like this. Now I will show you before using the widget handle how this sequence field looks. So just restart the server and upgrade your module and then refresh this page. So before using the widget handle you can see the sequence field looks like this. Now simply we write widget handle into the sequence field. Now again restart the server and upgrade your module, go into your Odoo server and refresh this page. So you can see the sequence field looks like this draggable button and I simply drag and drop any record manually by this button. So here you can see the first record is with the soap name mobile soap. Select this record and make this record down like this. So you can see the mobile soap record goes down. So basically widget handle is a useful feature for managing the records that need to be reordered manually by the user. And here you can see I manually drag the record up and down like this. I also make this record up like this. So this is how the widget handle is used in Odoo. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.